Why, hello, it's me, Mr. Sasaki, and guess what? I'm here with another What Do I Do If I Don't Have My Instrument? Videos. So, um, last time we kind of talked about bowing on the arm, but this one I want to talk about how we can use this to practice our bow holds. All right, so I don't have my instrument, no bow, right? Okay. Let's start with sock puppets, okay? Or shadow puppets. How about that? So we're like doing like this and squeeze in. I call this the flat fist. Do you see that? Flat fist. Boom. Almost like a kung fu kind of throw or something, huh? Yeah. So we want that. Now let's get our pen or pencil involved. Okay. So we're going to do what is equivalent to that shadow puppet there, and we're going to do the flat fist. Do you see that? While we're keeping contact with the fingers on the stick of, in this case, would be the pencil or pen. See that? So we got that. Flat fist. It's not going to be perfect because it's going to be, that material is in our way, but that's what we want to practice, okay? The next step, once we can get that to happen, would be to do raises or rising, lowering, okay? So here we go. You see that? Cool, right? We're actually going to kind of drop our wrist like this and then do the sock puppet or shadow puppet. And then we're going to pull up and do the flat fist, and our wrist comes up. So that you can see I'm holding my arm, and you can see that wrist is going up and down. So shadow puppet, flat fist, shadow puppet, flat fist. Okay, and so once we have this, essentially your bow stick should be going up and down like this. Okay? So what this does is it creates flexibility. It teaches you to access. So when we're bowing, see, when we're bowing, we have much more flexibility and usage, and ultimately more depth in tone when we can kind of shape and have these smaller joints working for us, right? So here's your exercise. If you're bored or don't have your instrument, but you do have a pencil or pen, practice your finger flexibility for your bow hand.